Hello, Sarai. First project transportation. My name is Leslie Ardila.
My name is Wendy Soto.
We will talk about transportation in South America, especially in our beautiful country, Colombia. We choose the city of eternal spring, Medellin, recognized for its beautiful mountains, excellent weather, and with the best transportation that the country has.
Transport in Medellin is made up the bus, tranvía, metrocable, metrobús y Metro Plus. I am from Ocaña. Ocaña is a small city. The way in which the person transporting in walking that do the distance are short. Others prefer using the bus, taxis, and motorbikes. Many of the persons who handle it are imprudent.
My hometown is Barrancabermeja, recognized as an oil city. The types of transportation in Barrancabermeja are mainly taxis, minibus, and motorbike. People when they go to the work and study are transported in bus. The distance are not so long and it has an excellent rate.
In Medellin, there are different types of transportation to facilitate the mobility of all inhabitants. Regrets of the great distance that characterize the city. In contrast, in Barrancabermeja and Ocaña, transportation is more limited. Some people prefer to walk or use their own means of transport such as cars, motorcycles and bicycles.
The cost of transportation in these three cities are different. Barrancabermeja being cheaper and Medellin more expensive. Of the three cities, the transportation in Medellin is better, and for this reason, the recognized is get to the city with the best public transportation in Colombia.
Thank you, Sarai. Bye.
Thank you.